Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my channel, like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Strength of Materials, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problems, Class 10. If you want to see my previous classes, please visit my channel and see all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Three forces, magnitude 40 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton are acting at a point O as shown in the figure. The figure was given below. There was three forces 40 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton acting at a point O. The angle made by the force with x-axis. So the force given above is made with an angle from the x-axis is 60 degree, 120 degree, 240 degree respectively. That was the 40 kilonewton is act at 60 degree from the x-axis and 50 kilonewton is act 120 degree from the x-axis and 20 kilonewton is act 240 degree from the x-axis. Now determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant of force. So we have to find the resultant force with its direction. So see the diagram given below. We have the point O. From that point I noted the axis x and y and see the forces 40 kilonewton in 60 degree from the x-axis, 15 kilonewton 120 degree from the x-axis and 20 kilonewton 240 degree from the x-axis. Now I have to mention something in this figure. See the force 40 kilonewton, it was in the positive side of the x-axis and other two forces 15 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton are the negative side of the x-axis in the graph. And now see the from when we are seeing from the y-axis, the 40 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton are in the positive sign of y-axis and the 20 kilonewton is in negative sign of y-axis. I am telling about this because we are seeing this in the solution area. Now see the given data. The force F1 40 kilonewton, F2 15 kilonewton and F3 is 20 kilonewton. The angle made by them are theta 1 equal to 60 degree, theta 2 equal to 120 degree, theta 3 is 240 degree as given. And we have to find resultant of force R and direction of the resultant theta. Now we are going to the solution. As we said before, the Rx is summation of Fx, that is F1 cos theta 1 plus F2 cos theta 2 plus F3 cos theta 3. We are using the cos theta for the x-axis and sin theta for the y-axis as I said before. Now see the value of F1 theta 1, F2 theta 2 and F3 cos theta 3. 40 into cos 60 degree plus 15 into cos 120 degree, 20 into cos 240 degree. Now see the value 20, the 40 cos 60 is 20 and 15 cos 120 is minus 7.50. I said that before, the value, the force present in the diagram will be the second and third force in the negative direction of the x. So here we get minus 7.50. We have to confirm this because confirm this negative sign because of we are right or not in the examination. So next 20 into cos 240 is minus 10. Now summation of this is 2.5 kilonewton. We had find the value of Rx. Now we are going to find value of Ry. From the y-axis, summation of Fy equal to F1 sin theta 1 plus F2 sin theta 2 plus F3 sin theta 3. We are using sin because we are seeing from the y-axis. So the value will be substituted as 40 into sin 60 plus 15 into sin 120 plus 20 into sin 240 degree. The value of 40 into sin 60 is 34.641 and 15 sin 120 is 12.999 and 20 into sin 240 is minus 17.32. As I said before in the diagram, two forces are in positive direction in the y-axis and a single force is in the negative direction. It was 20 kilonewton. So the 20 kilonewton force will be F3 will be in minus negative sign. Now see the summation of the value is 30.31 kilonewton. So we found the Ry value. We have to find the total resultant. So R equal to root of Rx square plus Ry square. We have to substitute the value of Rx and Ry here. So root of 2.5 square plus 30.31 square. The square value will be root of 6.25 plus 918.696. The summation of value is root of 924.946. The root value will be R equal to 30.412 kilonewton. We found the value of resultant. We have to find the value of direction. The formula for direction of resultant is tan theta equal to Ry by Rx. Now we are substituting the value of Ry and Rx. It was 30.31 divided by 2.5. The value will be 12.124. Now we are going to transfer the tan from the left to right. It becomes tan inverse. So theta equal to tan inverse 12.124. The value will be theta equal to 85.254 degree. Now we have to write the result. Resultant of force R equal to 30.412 kilonewton and direction of resultant theta equal to 85.254 degree. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.